Initiating.
Welcome back to my daily grind. Create yourself. That's what it's all about. One day, one step in the right direction. I'm Chris and I'm well here to show you if I can do it, then you can do it as well. It is Sunday, scripting and filming and all is taking way longer than expected as always, so I will try to keep this vlog short but interesting nevertheless. I fixed a prototype and the day has finally come where I will destroy this thing for good. Let's hope it will be epic. I brought the box from the piercing test. A little bit of blood. So, for the first test, again I will propel it with compressed air and then drop it. Safety is number one priority. Let's go. We are at 6 bar. No. Oh my god, it survived! How the hell? Thank god for my safety glasses. There's the explosion. It definitely got damaged on the last drop. Okay, now that's a problem. Whatever. Let's just drop it on the table. Cute, right? Oh my god, that was so freaking close. I would have totally destroyed the glass. Dang, it completely wrecked. Whoa! The bearing is still fine. Alright then. Oh my god, I still have another hurricane ball lying around. Wow. Yeah, why not do something else stupid? Remember my arrows? I found this pipe, so let's try something that might actually be super fun with a longer barrel. Oh my god. So many ideas. So less time. Bruh. What? Dude, I freaking knew this would be fun. Let's pump up the pressure. I found a longer barrel. Oh my god. Now that's a dart gun. Oh no, this is actually so powerful. I messed up the shaft. Wow. That's a problem though. Yep. Won't fit in any longer. Okay, that was lame. But the idea is too good to be true. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow.
Take 'em.